Hey guys, it's Monday. Wanted to just touch base, give you an update on my projects. So this is here in Scottsdale. Right now I've got the Bobcat going, getting the yard all demoed out. We're gonna take out this whole driveway right here, and it's gonna be all pavers. And then I'll finish up the landscape, and I don't even want to be out here right now though. It's too much dust and debris. Walking in the house, got island almost set. Tell me what you think of this island. One of my favorite features. It's an ice machine. You can scoop the ice. Close that front door. Like these pendants. I'm really into gold right now. The front door here is a glass door. I keep them completely covered. All right, let's see the laundry room. I really like this. Laundry room. It's like a folding station. This was basically an open room created with the barn door. Show you what I did in the garage. Not done yet, but I think this glass door looks pretty sick. Got a side door here. Put a new window in. Painted this Sherwin-Williams color. Can't remember what gray it is, but I think it came out pretty sick. And it's a good look at the house. Let me show you the backyard real quick. Here's this patio. Let me show you. It's not done yet, but basically just tiled the floor. Raised the block. And then there's the pool. That's going to be the last thing. Always do your pool last because it gets totally fucked up. So this house is here in the heart of Scottsdale. It's only 5 minutes from the bars and restaurants. Purchase price $600. Bought it in a panic sale. The buyer started at $799. I got it right before the end of 2022, so I was lucky to put that money to work. And resale is going to be around 1.3. There's a lot of comps for this type of house. It's a good return. Almost $500,000. So this is the kind of real estate I'm doing. Big value add, top level remodel. By the way, these posts I think came out pretty sick. It's not all the way done. Unfortunately, we're kind of in this weird zone right now where the landscaping's taken over. Stay tuned for more updates.